The Cybdic Plus channel.
Hi and welcome. This video is just a brief short demo on how this completely free with a local install and totally uncensored speech-to-speech setup works. To get started, you have to install all 6 tools: Python, Git, Miniconda, LM Studio, Whisper, and Coqui. Once you have installed all 6 tools, go inside your Coqui pipeline folder and double-click the .sts bat file to start the program. Now answer the 3 optional features questions. Y for yes and N for no. It's going to have a number listed next to the options. Type in the number to select your option. 1. Do you want a different voice? 2. Do you want to add an emotion to your voice if that voice allows it? And 3. Do you want to use a cloned voice?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I assist you today?
What is your name?
I am Quinn, your AA assistant. How can I assist you today?
What can you do, Quinn?
It seems like you might be referring to me as Quinn, but I should clarify that my name is Quinn. How can I assist you today? Whether you need help with information, writing, creative ideas, or anything else, feel free to ask.
What can you do?
I can assist with a wide range of tasks and provide information across various topics. Here are some things it can help with. 1. Answering questions. Provide explanations, facts, or opinions on different subjects. 2. Writing assistance. Help draft essays, articles, stories, emails, and more. 3. Language translation.
That's all. I'm done.
It sounds like you may be feeling finished or perhaps exhausted. Would you like to talk about how you're doing? I am here if you...
Stop listening.
Now, all the instructions, code scripts, and README notes is on the GitHub page. The link is down below. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this demo and thanks for watching.